Hi guys. So just few days back I went to this new outlet of Rasna bus with a friend just for random snacking. It has opened a little away from Boys High School in the lane opposite to Police Line, and this outlet is quite spacious in comparison to the previous one. There's a no touch pedal sanitizer at the door. Tables are kept at appropriate distance considering the social distancing, and menu as usual is quite pocket friendly and nothing in the menu is too pricey. Also, if your order amount is more than 200, then they ask you to rotate this spin wheel that has got some amazing offers and cashback on it. So try your luck, spin the wheel and avail add-on benefits with every order worth rupees 200 or more. The staff asked me to spin the wheel again as he was a bit confused in the first go, but guess what? The pointer stopped exactly at the point where it has stopped before. Just look at it. And so I got this cashback add-on benefit that says rupees 50 on minimum bill of 200 and rupees 100 on minimum bill of 300. Now coming to food,
सो मैंने ऑर्डर किया है चॉकलेट पाइनएप्पल सैंडविच जो कि मुझे थोड़ा न्यू लगा यहाँ पे एंड माय फेवरेट लाइट एंड टेस्टी फ्यूजन नाचोस एंड दिस इज़ द चॉकलेट पाइनएप्पल सैंडविच. So I'll start with chocolate and pineapple sandwich. So let's try and see. स्वीट एंड सॉल्टी का जो कॉम्बो आ रहा है ना बहुत अच्छा है. एंड सिंस आई लव पाइनएप्पल एंड पाइनएप्पल और चॉकलेट का जो एक कॉम्बिनेशन आ रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा है. नाउ it's just a simple nachos loaded with onion, tomato, coriander and two types of mayo. And it's a good option when you don't want to have something very heavy, you want to have something light just for random munching.
so here I am showing you all the making of their special Banta bottle that they also call as Goti Wala soda, and I have opted for soda shikanji. They usually have 4 flavors in it. And since they have live mocktail counter, it's really fun to see your Banta bottle being made in front of your eyes. Also you can see the staff is wearing gloves and mask too. As I told you, they have got 4 flavors in this Banta bottle, and you'll be surprised to know that each bottle costs only 49 rupees, and I find it really reasonable. So now he is in final step of pouring soda in it, after which he is getting the Banta machine ready in which he'll put this Banta bottle, after which he'll rotate the machine few times, and it is done to create a suction so that the gota or the cap of the bottle gets closed due to the suction. And here he goes, and he's done. One thing that I really like about Rasna Bus is that their staff are quite active and they process your order in really nominal time. So my Banta bottle.
रसना बस आए और इनका गोटी वाला सोडा नहीं ट्राई किया तो क्या ट्राई किया.
They also have a pretty area where you can click selfies and group pictures before you leave. They have placards with quirky captions too. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.